Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and tap the account icon, that's the person icon in the bottom right corner. Once that opens, tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal bars. From the menu, select Transfers. Now tap Transfer Money, you'll see a transfer setup screen. You'll need to select where you're transferring from, tap that field at the top, and choose the Robinhood account you want to transfer from. For most people, that'll be your brokerage account. Next, select your destination, tap that field just below, and choose your linked bank account. If your account qualifies for instant transfers, you'll see an instant transfers eligible label next to it. Only bank accounts or debit cards you've already linked and verified will show up in this list. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. The key here is to check your withdrawable cash balance, not your total balance. Withdrawable cash excludes any funds tied up in unsettled trades or holds. You'll see an option to choose your transfer speed. Standard ACH transfers are free and take 1 to 3 business days to reach your bank. Instant transfers arrive within minutes, but cost a 1.75% fee with a minimum of $1. Pick whichever works for you. Once you've made your selection, you'll see a review screen showing your transfer details. Check the destination bank, the amount, any fees if you chose instant, and the estimated arrival time. If everything looks right, tap Transfer at the bottom to submit. You'll see a confirmation screen with an expected arrival date. If you chose Standard, your money will show up in your bank within 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers arrive in minutes. As long as your withdrawal is still pending, you can cancel it from your account tab if you need to. And remember, Robinhood typically allows ACH withdrawals of up to $50,000 per business day for most users. That's it, withdrawing from Robinhood done. Thanks for watching.